In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Semrush partner. Before we kick off, let me give you a bit of background on why becoming a Semrush partner could be a game changer for you or your agency. Semrush is a powerful tool utilized by digital marketing professionals all over the world. It helps users conduct keyword research, keep track of their competitors, and manage their SEO, pay-per-click advertising campaigns, and more. By becoming a Semrush partner, you can tap into a valuable network and boost your credibility, not to mention enjoy some potential financial perks. Now, let's dive right into the process. The first step is to search for Semrush using your preferred search engine. You want to use clear and specific search terms to quickly land on the official Semrush site. A good starting point might be something like Semrush Partner Program, or simply Semrush. Once you have arrived at the Semrush website, direct your attention to the Affiliate Program section. This is where you'll find more detailed information about the opportunities available for partners. The Affiliate Program is designed for individuals who are looking to promote Semrush and earn commissions on resulting sales. Explore this section to understand how the program works, the kind of support you'll receive from Semrush, and how commissions are structured. Thoroughly reading this section can provide clarity on what's expected from affiliates and the benefits that come with it. Next, check out the Agency Partners Program. This section is tailored for agencies that frequently use Semrush for their clients. Being part of the Agency Partners Program not only provides enhancements like increased exposure in the Semrush Partner Directory, which can attract new clients, but it also signals to potential clients that you are a trusted and recommended partner of Semrush. Look around this section to familiarize yourself with the qualifying criteria, benefits, and additional resources available to agency partners. Understanding what being an agency partner entails will give you a clearer picture of how this program can impact your agency positively. And that's it, folks. You now have the foundational steps to start your journey as a Semrush partner. Remember, becoming a partner means you'll be aligning yourself with a globally recognized brand, which could catapult your services to new heights. Whether you're interested in the affiliate program or the Agency Partners Program, be sure to take advantage of the resources provided to help you succeed. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.